I'm gonna show you how to use unique Zepter technology to prepare perfect Easter lamb in our casserole without salt, without oil, on low heat. We have deboned lamb, stuffing, apricots, pine nuts, eggs, gluten-free old bread, and mix it. Stuff it. Season the lamb. Roll. Tie. Put the lamb in the cold pan. No oil, no salt, no water. Place the vegetables. Carrots, garlic, spring onion, rosemary. And lid on lower heat. Meanwhile, prepare the vegetables for side dish. Chop spring onion, zucchini, asparagus, and squash. Final, last 15 minutes, casserole in the oven on lower heat to create the crust. Again, vegetables in cold pan on low heat. The healthiest Easter ever by Zepter Masterpiece Cookware.